On March 13th, Laura Teasdale and Ronnie Leblanc were en route to Quebec's Gaspé coast to lead a big performing arts project in New Carlisle and New Richmond, when the unthinkable happened.
Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, every school in Quebec will be closed as of today. There will be further information on this development.
Oh no, Ronnie, our school projects in the Gaspé are canceled. It's impossible.
Impossible? No way. I know how we can do it. Live streaming on Facebook every day.
Wait, what? But what will we put on the show?
Well, stuff to inspire the Gaspesians to be creative.
Well, that might work until we get there. And I do know a lot of activities and family games and stuff that I could teach online.
Are you ready to try a new fun family game? This game is called Who is the Leader? Today's Family Art Challenge is an abstract art challenge. I'll teach it to you now so you can do it. It goes like this. I say, J'adore la baie de chaleur. And you repeat, J'adore la baie de chaleur.
How the cougar came to be called the ghost cat.
Dan bitta lo wet Louis dut kajuauchus kadegamuch.
By Michael James Isaac, illustrated by Doze Arlene Christmas.
Yeah, I know a lot of local artists that would be able to inspire people to send stuff in also.
But it's enough to feel light in the dark.
Please don't take my sunshine away.
Wow. And you know, we could share whatever anybody sends in to us on the show.
Hey guys, want to hear a ghost story?
Yeah, and let's call it Release the Gaspesians.
I'm in. Let's do it.
Here we go.
Release the Gaspesians!